Upgrading windows and doors is one of the best ways to improve comfort, appearance, and performance in a home. However, even high-quality products can fall short if they're installed incorrectly. Many homeowners don't realize that small installation mistakes can lead to long-term problems like drafts, moisture issues, and poor operation. That's where experienced window and door professionals make a real difference, by helping homeowners avoid costly and frustrating errors from the start. Improper measurements that lead to poor fit. One of the most common mistakes in window and door installation is inaccurate measuring. Even being off by a small amount can result in gaps, uneven alignment, or forced adjustments. Professional installers take precise measurements and account for variations in wall openings. This ensures windows and doors fit correctly, seal properly, and perform as intended without relying on fillers or temporary fixes. Skipping proper preparation of the opening before installation begins, the opening must be inspected and prepared. This step is often overlooked during rushed or DIY installations. Professionals check for structural issues, uneven surfaces, or damage that could affect performance. Addressing these concerns beforehand prevents future problems such as shifting frames, sticking doors, or air leaks. Inadequate sealing and insulation. Poor sealing is one of the biggest causes of drafts and energy loss. Using the wrong materials, or too little of them, can allow air and moisture to pass through. Window and door professionals know where and how to apply sealing materials correctly. Proper insulation around the frame helps maintain indoor comfort and protects against long-term issues like condensation or interior damage. Incorrect alignment and leveling. A window or door that isn't level may still appear functional at first, but problems often develop over time. Misalignment can cause sticking, uneven wear, or difficulty locking. Professional installers ensure everything is properly aligned and level before securing it in place. This attention to detail helps windows and doors operate smoothly and maintain performance over the long term. Overlooking drainage and moisture management. Windows and doors must be installed with moisture control in mind. Improper drainage can allow water to collect around the frame, leading to hidden damage. Professionals understand how to manage water flow away from the opening. By installing flashing and sealing correctly, they help protect the surrounding structure and finishes from moisture-related issues. Using the wrong fasteners or techniques. Not all fasteners are suitable for every installation. Using the wrong type or placing them incorrectly can compromise stability and performance. Window and door professionals follow manufacturer guidelines and proven techniques. This ensures the unit is secured properly without damaging the frame or affecting operation. Ignoring manufacturer specifications. Every window and door is designed to be installed in a specific way. Ignoring these instructions can void warranties and reduce performance. Professional installers are trained to follow manufacturer specifications precisely. This protects the homeowner's investment and ensures the product performs as designed. Rushing the installation process. Speed often leads to mistakes. Rushed installations may skip critical steps or overlook small details that later become big problems. Professionals take a methodical approach. They focus on accuracy and quality rather than rushing through the job, resulting in better long-term outcomes for homeowners. Poor finishing and trim work. Finishing details matter more than many homeowners realize. Improper trim work can leave gaps, expose insulation, or detract from the home's appearance. Window and door professionals ensure clean, polished finishes that protect the installation and enhance the overall look of the space. Why professional installation makes the difference. Avoiding installation mistakes isn't just about preventing problems, it's about ensuring comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. Professionals bring experience, precision, and accountability to every project. For homeowners, working with window and door professionals means avoiding common pitfalls that can lead to drafts, discomfort, and repairs. Instead, they enjoy installations that look better, perform better, and last longer, making professional expertise one of the most valuable parts of any window or door upgrade.